Tacoma has grown in popularity over the last several years, and we think that you should consider calling it home, especially if you're interested in avoiding the hustle and bustle that's found the closer you get to the Seattle area, or if you're looking to be a little bit more frugal. Today, we're going to explore homes in the $650,000 to $670,000 price range so that this can give you an idea of just how much bang for your buck you're going to get in that price range.
If you're thinking about moving to the Tacoma area, be sure to check out some of the videos we've done previously covering the areas and the neighborhood and just the lifestyle in Tacoma. You'll find those links right below. If this is your first time to our channel and you want the full scoop on living, working, and enjoying Seattle life and beyond, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video because we're here to help you every step of the way.
I'm Brandy, and this here is my husband and business partner, William, and together we are the WB Nobles real estate team. From expert advice to practical tips, we got everything you need to make informed decisions. So whether your move is just around the corner or still on the horizon, we're here to help guide you every step of the way. All our contact details are right below, so don't hesitate to reach out. This home is listed for $650,000 and it was built in 1906 and you don't even feel that at all. Like, it's really spacious. They've done a really good job updating it. There's 3 bedrooms, 1.75 bathrooms, just over 1,200 square feet. And check it out. This is something we don't see all the time. And I really like this, the like butcher block cabinets or counters. And this beautiful tile that they've got on the backsplash. I like that. I like that it's not that like sparkly tile, you know, it's kind of like that matte finish. This bedroom is a really good size. I really like the openness of this main living area too. And then this bedroom here is kind of a multi-purpose. It's set up to be kind of a multi-purpose room. I like that idea. It's like, when I walked in, I thought, oh, hobby room for sure. And then we've got the shared, this is kind of a shared bath for the main living area. I like that it's double sinks. You don't always see that in the like shared bath area. And then we've got the primary bedroom here with its own bathroom. Pretty good size for a primary. And the cool thing about this house is that there's a fully renovated ADU in the back. So not only is this home a really great just overall investment, but you get to expand on that investment. So you can live in this home and you can rent out that ADU in the back for some extra income, or buy the whole lot and rent out both spaces. What do you think? What would you do with this home? Would you live here and rent out the back, or would you buy this for an investment property and rent both out? Let us know in the comments below. Check out this space. For only 650 square feet, like, this is pretty spacious. I was surprised to see and feel just how spacious this is. Like, what a great investment opportunity. This kitchen is spectacular. I can imagine, you know, we're right by the college, where there's two colleges, right? Universities, one
So
university,
you've got
one
the
college.
University of Puget Sound, about 1.5 miles away, and you also have, you're not too far from Tacoma Community College, or as we call it, TCC as well.
Yeah, and so I can imagine being a college student needing to have their own little space and being able to rent this, like with this beautiful kitchen, the beautiful tile work they've done, looks like probably quartz countertops, and it's got this nice, spacious walk-in pantry area. Go check out the bedrooms.
And I forgot to mention, you're also not too far away from downtown Tacoma, where you would have also in downtown Tacoma, you have UW Tacoma there.
So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This bathroom clearly has a spot for a washer and dryer, and the finishes and you know, work that they've done here is super high quality, super beautiful. You can buy this home and you can live in one unit, rent out the other, or rent out both. This is a great area for people needing rentals, being so close to the schools. They've done a really fantastic job with this renovation. So hey, what area are you guys looking for in Western Washington? Or what price range are you looking for? We would love to go explore and find the best town in your budget, or go explore those other areas that you're interested in and report back. We're always on board to expedite your relocation decision by doing all the legwork. Let's go check out our next home in this series. This home was built in 1905, and while they've done an amazing job renovating it, I wouldn't say, can you guess on this one, because they've kept some of the original details.
I think you can tell by the way the windows are framed, and even the doorknobs, which is really cool that we noticed. They kept even though they're newer knobs, they kept the old look to them,
that
right?
Old kind of crystal knobs that you used to see on older homes. So it's got that old charm, and I love that. And I love the rounded doorways, the higher ceilings in this main floor. And this kitchen was really well done, for sure. Definitely space for a little breakfast nook, or even maybe another like floating island thing. They did a really good job with this very neutral, very updated, modern kitchen. And there's kind of almost 2 primaries to this house. Like this one off of this main area on this first floor here is definitely, I walk in and I'm thinking, oh, this is the primary. It's got a great bathroom with double sinks. Again, they've done a really good job with the details and renovating this home. The floors are really beautiful. Like it definitely has that old school wood looking, it's almost like, oh, is that the original floors? Nope, they are brand new. The carpets are new. There's another bedroom upstairs, and I got a little confused at first because I goes, oh, this is another primary. It has its own bathroom, and what I could see is a great multi-generational living situation going on here. Definitely set up well for that. Or maybe it's, 2 besties decide to buy a house together because that's the smart thing to do, and you both have your own space. I think that would be a really good option for this home. It also has a basement area that I was a little bit surprised about at first too. And it's got another bedroom down there, and it's really set up to be whatever you want to make it. So this home is listed at $670,000. It's 3 bedrooms and 2.25 bathrooms, and it's 2,158 square feet. Again, that was built in 1905, and it's been completely renovated. We really enjoyed touring this home. We hope you like it as much as we did. Really excited to show you guys around this house. It's got a really unique layout, and I can see a lot of potential. I could see this as being a multi-family living space, or maybe, you know, one of the thoughts I had as we were walking through is maybe it's like a bunch of college students get together and rent out the different rooms. Or maybe you kind of section it off a little bit to have more of an ADU type situation. So down here on this first floor, there's a bedroom right off of the kitchen, and this beautiful kitchen. I really love what they've done in here. I really love that the quartz countertops have kind of a bit of a gold in it, and then you've got these gold accents throughout. And I love that blue with the gold. Those are one of my favorite color combos in a kitchen these days. And it's got great stainless steel appliances, and our pretty expansive like main living room space. Off of this kitchen is kind of a bonus room, kind of mud room type thing. Couple bonus rooms, really. Like this looks like it could be an office space. I can see myself having my plants in here, my yoga mat. Right. And then this great kind of mud room, because we've got washer and dryer, but also the door to outside. So this is a nice little versatile space in here. And then the big openness of the living room when you first walk into the house. We've got a bathroom over here, great location for guests. And this, I love this entryway. It's spacious, and it's got some different textures going on. Like my eyes kind of flowed all the way through this space when we first walked in. Let's go check out upstairs, but don't miss this great chandelier, because it's pretty great. So we're gonna head upstairs. There's actually 3 levels to this. So you saw the first bedroom downstairs on the first floor, and then this second floor has 2 bedrooms, and it also has a kind of an additional kind of living space. So I can imagine, so maybe a renter here and a renter in this other bedroom, and then they get to share this like living space. It's already got somewhat of kind of a bar area, but I can see how you could turn this into a bit more of a kitchen, of a proper kitchen, even if it's some great induction, like portable cooktops and a small refrigerator or something. Versatile space, really is. You can use your imagination and do all kinds of fun things with this home. This bathroom is pretty amazing. The floors, the tile work.
It's very spacious.
It's very spacious. I love this mirror. It gives it this like touch of luxury, I feel like. And the other really cool thing about this home is that, so they're calling this the owner's suite. And I can see how this could be somebody's like, you know, full-on separate kind of living quarters. Like you could, theoretically, they have it set up as an office, but this could even be a little TV room, your own little private space. Let's head all the way upstairs and check out the primary suite in this home. It's pretty unique and pretty cool. So the house itself was built in 1907.
Can you tell? No, I can't.
They've done a really great job of renovating this home. This is a really big space up here. You could do all kinds of things in these fun little nooks. I just pictured myself with my books all around, having a little reading nook here. I would love that.
Or knitting.
And then the bathroom. Again, they did a really good job on the bathroom. This shower space is really cool. just love the details that they've chosen in the design of the renovation of this home. They did a really good job. So the home is listed for $670,000. You've seen 4 bedrooms. There's 2.25 bathrooms. It's about 2,400 square feet of potential, of possibility. It's really great. You know, Tacoma is an interesting location. There's a lot of opportunity in Tacoma for growth, and there's lots of educational institutions here in Tacoma creating possibilities for folks. Lots of art and culture and food. We've really enjoyed exploring Tacoma and the food scene in Tacoma. So those are just some of the reasons why folks look at living in Tacoma, and the Tacoma real estate market is strong. We're seeing homes on the market for about on average 26 days. And most homes end up with at least 3 offers. So it's really showing you that Tacoma has a strong real estate market. The average sold price in the last year was $475,000. Right now, I think we've got something like almost 1,200 homes currently on the market, and the median listing price right now is about $480,000. So the potential here for getting that affordable space and getting more bang for your buck is good. That's one reason why people like, you know, looking into Tacoma. Tacoma's also seen year over year approximately 10% appreciation rate for the last like 10 years. Now granted, that's not gonna be 10% every year. Sometimes it's less. Like right now, I think in the last year, it's only been 3% or something like that. But over the last decade, it's continued to grow strongly. And again, that's just showing you more evidence that the real estate market is strong here. This is a great location for investment opportunities. This home is a great home for an investment opportunity, or if it's, you know, speaks to you with the unique layout and you can see yourself living here, reach out to us because we would love to make that happen for you. This concludes our tour of homes from the $650,000 to the $670,000 price range. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you never miss out on all of our insider tips. And if Tacoma is speaking to you, definitely, we want to help you make that happen. And if this isn't the area for you, let us know in the comments. What areas are you looking for? We would love to go explore just for you. So thank you for watching. I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. And until next time, explore, dream, and discover the best places to call home.